Stay true to my thing. And just tune to my thing. Chef Willie in the kitchen. Chefing up the same thing. Always got a new menu, new dish, new flavor and excitement. Guys, some peppers, garlic and thing, onion, piece of onion I use. I chop up them very quick. You know, lots of tail roast, something like that. Add a little paprika. Yeah, throw some cayenne pepper in it. You know, orange gold color. Go on and chop up them guys and get back with them in a second. See me? Stay tuned. Some wash and clean the vegetables guys, as you can see. All clean. I got some peppers, red and green, all the spicy. Making seafood, you gotta be spicy. I got some onions, red onions, little red onions, some garlic. You see, I separate them a bit because I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. I got my pot, turn it on. It's hot. Some boils on my tails. See, I got some butter right here. There's a lot of butter. I stick of butter. Any butter you have, you can use. I have stick of butter on me. Make that on because I'm not using oil today. Let the butter melt in the pot. You can go ahead and add some onions and garlic. Scallion. Go on, marinate. A little of that. With a mess, I want to saute those veggies a little bit. We have some beef sausage, some plantains, corns, and potatoes. Drop in lots of tail. Want to simmer with butter. Some high volume. Saute night, you know. So yeah man, guys, if you want to saute it down, got little butter on top. You know, add some more seasoning now. We'll go along night. Find the knife too. Want to saute it first. Turn it on a little bit. Don't want to burn. Leave it. Cover it a little bit, make it steam. Right now, I need a little more water. Color up on that side and now. Drop in my sauce. Simmer down. Don't you hear what I say? Let me make it simmer down. Kitchen today, not all Popeyes, you know, Chef Willie. Now stay true to my thing. You see me stay true to my thing. I mean, a new dance soon in about what? I have to wait the right time. On the stay tuned. A lobster time. Lobster. See me? When I'm done cook, I got some bone. Drop that tonight and make everything bubbly in a one. You see me? Up, stay tuned. Add a little tap of black pepper and some pimento seeds in my water. Make it spicy and make sure. Check on the pot. See if I produce it full water already. Put the sauce.
Ooh, lobster. Good.
Flip it on the other side, next side of the back cook. Drop in the sauce. Guys, drop in the sauce. You can go and simmer in the sauce. Stick. Make it simmer there. Steam down in that, you know. Steam down, stay tuned. Lobster tail steam down. Oh, tail come out good. Some sauce. Chop a little more black pepper and a little salt and thing. Lobster almost done, you can see. Test the meat, it ain't tender yet. But the meat hard still. You want that kind of tender. And I want to put more. Put the lobster them nice side, guys. Chop in my corn them. I'm gonna fold them and make them simmer down in the sauce. Sausage them. This sausage here, don't get it twisted. No pork around here. No pork around Trenton for it. No Trenton. Yard money, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and transfer all these in it. Eat some flavor, you know. All of them I could cook in at one time. Eat a different way, make the sauce lobster different. Some plantains there too. You want to simmer in the sauce, you know. Probably have to add a little more water to it. A little more sauce to make it everything soak in it. Only gonna put what I'm gonna eat so far, which is that. Pour a little bit of water in it. Make it dry out, you know. Chop piece more butter in it. down with some. You wanna see? Got my stick butter here. Put a little piece more and make it go and make it buttery. Buttery, you see me? Chop some little salt on it, a little more seasoning. I'm gonna add water to it. So a little salt, not too much, guys. And some of my seasoning, meat seasoning. Make it simmer down. When I simmer down, that ready. Ready lobster tail. Steam down. Ready to share up my food and now. Make it saucy. Keep my plate. Yeah, that's my dish. Need the juice in it too. Sauce.